In an increasingly interconnected world, electricity has become the backbone of modern living. From lighting our homes and powering appliances to enabling communication and preserving food, it's hard to imagine life without this essential resource. However, there are times when circumstances, whether due to natural disasters, power grid failures, or financial constraints, force us to confront the reality of living without electricity. While the prospect of going dark may seem daunting, being prepared with practical strategies can help you navigate such situations with resilience and adaptability. In this article, we'll explore 9 vital tips for managing life without electricity, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to stay safe, comfortable, and resourceful during unexpected outages. 1. Stock up on non-perishable food supplies. One of the first challenges of living without electricity is ensuring access to food. Without refrigeration, perishable items like meat, dairy, and fresh produce will spoil quickly. To mitigate this issue, focus on stocking up on non-perishable foods that have a long shelf life. Canned goods, beans, vegetables, fruits, soups. Dried grains, rice, pasta, quinoa, nuts, seeds, and dehydrated meals are excellent options. Don't forget to include a manual can opener in your emergency kit. These items not only provide sustenance, but also require minimal preparation, making them ideal for situations where cooking resources are limited. 2. Invest in alternative lighting solutions. Lighting is one of the most immediate needs when the power goes out. Relying on candles alone can be risky due to fire hazards, so consider investing in safer alternatives like battery-powered lanterns, solar-powered lights, or hand-crank flashlights. Oil lamps and rechargeable LED lights are also effective options. Ensure that you have enough batteries stored away, or better yet, opt for solar chargers to keep devices powered during extended outages. Having multiple lighting sources ensures redundancy and enhances safety, particularly at night. 3. Secure safe drinking water. Access to clean drinking water is critical, especially if municipal water supplies rely on electric pumps. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for at least 3 days as part of your emergency preparedness plan. Consider adding portable water filters, purification tablets, or boiling equipment to your supplies in case you need to purify water from natural sources. Rainwater collection systems or large storage containers can also serve as backup solutions for longer-term outages. 4. Learn basic cooking techniques. Without power, cooking without electricity requires creativity and preparation. If you own a gas stove, you may still be able to cook using matches or lighters to ignite the burners. For those without gas appliances, consider alternative methods such as propane grills, camping stoves, or wood-burning fire pits. Always prioritize safety by cooking outdoors to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. Additionally, familiarize yourself with no-cook meal ideas such as salads, sandwiches, or cold cereal, which can save time and effort during emergencies. 5. Stay warm or cool without HVAC systems. Temperature regulation becomes a significant concern when heating and cooling systems fail. During colder months, layer clothing, use blankets, and seal drafts around windows and doors to conserve warmth. If possible, invest in a portable space heater that runs on propane or kerosene, but ensure proper ventilation to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. In warmer weather, stay cool by wearing lightweight fabrics, staying hydrated, and seeking shade. Battery-operated fans or misting bottles can provide additional relief. 6. Communicate effectively without electronics. When cell towers go down or phone batteries die, maintaining communication can be challenging. Keep a fully charged power bank or solar charger handy for your mobile devices. Alternatively, invest in a hand-crank radio that doubles as a charging station for small electronics. Establish a designated meeting point with family members or neighbors in case separation occurs. Writing down important contact numbers instead of relying solely on digital storage can also prove invaluable. 7. Practice sanitation and hygiene. Maintaining cleanliness is crucial for preventing illness during prolonged periods without electricity. Stockpile essentials like toilet paper, hand sanitizer, baby wipes, and biodegradable soap. Create a makeshift bathroom solution using a portable toilet or heavy-duty garbage bags lined with kitty litter to absorb waste. Regularly dispose of trash in sealed containers to minimize odors and pests. Simple hygiene practices, such as washing hands frequently and disinfecting surfaces, can significantly reduce health risks. 8. Establish a routine to stay productive. Without the distractions of television, computers, or other electronic devices, boredom and anxiety can set in quickly. Combat these feelings by establishing a daily routine that includes productive activities. Engage in hobbies like reading, knitting, journaling, or playing board games. Physical exercise, such as yoga or walking, can boost both physical and mental well-being. Assign tasks to household members, such as gathering firewood or preparing meals, to foster teamwork and shared responsibility. 9. Prepare financially for extended outages. Living without electricity often incurs additional expenses, such as purchasing fuel for generators or buying replacement supplies. To mitigate financial strain, set aside an emergency fund specifically for disaster-related costs. Explore insurance policies that cover losses caused by power outages or natural disasters. For those who rely on medical equipment powered by electricity, notify utility companies and local authorities about your needs. They may prioritize restoring service to your area or provide temporary assistance. Conclusion. While the absence of electricity presents undeniable challenges, proactive planning and resourcefulness can transform what might otherwise feel overwhelming into a manageable experience. By implementing the 9 vital tips outlined above, ranging from securing essential supplies and practicing alternative cooking techniques to prioritizing safety and productivity, you can confidently face life without power. It's important to remember that preparation is key. Assembling an emergency kit, educating yourself on survival skills, and fostering a resilient mindset are all steps toward greater self-sufficiency. Ultimately, going dark doesn't mean losing control. It means embracing adaptability and finding creative ways to thrive despite adversity. Whether you're dealing with a short-term outage or preparing for more extended scenarios, these strategies empower you to protect yourself, your loved ones, and your property while maintaining a sense of normalcy. With careful planning and determination, you can navigate the complexities of life without electricity and emerge stronger, wiser, and more prepared for whatever the future holds.